Hello, and welcome to your step-by-step guide to assembling your 4x2 aluminum raised garden bed donated by the Mississippi Farm to School Network. This garden bed is perfect for growing fresh, healthy produce and creating hands-on learning experiences for students. In just a few simple steps, you'll have it ready to use in your school or early child care center. Let's dig in and get started. Okay, we're going to open the box. Here it comes with some instructions with all your steps right here. Now we're gonna take it out. Now we're just taking the plastic off of these two pieces that came in. Once you lay it out, this is everything that comes in. This is the 4x2 side. So these are gonna be one side and these are gonna be the other side. And then these are gonna be the pegs that go in each corner. And then this little bag has the toppers that go in the pegs. Right there, you'll see at the end. As you can see, these pieces have a little bitty lip on one side that it does not have on the other one, you see? So that lip is gonna go on the bottom like this, just like that. The only thing that you're gonna need is a rubber mallet. It's the only thing that's not included in the kit. So this is gonna be our corner, and we're gonna take it and put it on here and use our rubber mallet and hammer it down the side. Then we're going to take this side, make sure our lip is on the bottom, and use our mallet to hammer that in. So this is the 4x2 size. So it's just the perfect size for little arms to get in here and harvest and help in the garden. I'm gonna take our second corner, make sure it's good and hammered in. So now it's starting to look more like a rectangle. I'm gonna put our other corner right here. Now we're gonna take our last peg and hammer it in. And then hammer our last one in. Now this is going to be our second layer. Use your mallet to hammer it in. On the top part, you want to make sure that the lip goes on the top. For the bottom pieces, you want to make sure this lip is on the bottom, because once you're hammering it, it can get hard to get past this lip if you don't have it right. We've got our last piece. We're making sure the lip's on the top so that it hammers, so that you can put it in easy. least for the 2x4, the box is the perfect size to be used as mulch to prevent you from being in the garden every week weeding. You want to make sure you put this cardboard box on the bottom as a nice barrier for the weeds, and you just put your soil on top. There you have it. For the last step, we're going to take these little plugs and put them right in. You want to make sure you put all 4 plugs in each of the corners, and here's your finished product. And just like that, your raised garden bed is ready to grow. We can't wait to see what you grow with your students. You can share photos of your garden with us either through email or by tagging us on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter through our website to make sure you keep up with all the upcoming funding opportunities, resources, and upcoming events regarding Farm to School around the state.